Today marks 2 years since the first COVID case was reported in Santa Clara County. KPX5's Jocelyn Moran is live in the newsroom. And Jocelyn, as we think about the last 2 years, there is some good news here, some silver lining.
Yeah, Amanda, that's right. 2 years, COVID obviously continues to be with us, but things are looking good in terms of this Omicron wave. Santa Clara's Public Health Director, Dr. Sara Cody, says we're about halfway down that downward slope of this Omicron surge. The positivity rate is down to just under 12% from 17%, and the case rate is about half of what it was at the peak of this surge. Now, Dr. Cody made it a point to say COVID is not just like the flu. The mortality rates are still much higher with COVID, but she highlighted the good news that in these last 2 years, we have learned a lot more about COVID. We have vaccines, new drugs on the horizon, and other tools. And moving forward, as we learn to live with and manage COVID, Cody says it's about having a balance.
What we can anticipate going forward is that we will continue to have more peaks and valleys. So no, the pandemic is not over. It's a question for us about how we manage the pandemic individually and collectively as we face the waves that will come.
Now, as part of that forward thinking, Cody says they see vaccines and testing being primarily done by medical providers. They're updating their testing order. Large healthcare providers must provide access to testing within 24 hours of someone requesting one, and they cannot refer a patient to a different provider or county-run testing facility.
For PCR tests, the results have to be provided within 72 hours. And if there are any delays in that, the healthcare providers have an affirmative duty to inform us of those delays and what they are doing to resolve them.
Now, Dr. Sara Cody was also asked about masking, whether the requirements would be loosened. She says she cannot say what's ahead for masking right now because it is still difficult to tell how fast we're getting out of this Omicron wave. For now, in the newsroom, I'm Jocelyn Moran, KPIX5.